If your sink drain is clogged with soap scum buildup, you gotta try this simple baking soda and vinegar soak to fix it fast. So here's the deal. First, pour about 1 cup of baking soda directly down the clogged drain. Let it chill there for a couple of minutes so it can start breaking down that gunky soap scum. Then, slowly pour 1 cup of white vinegar right after the baking soda. You'll see it fizz up. That's the magic happening. Cover the drain with a plug or a wet cloth to keep the reaction working inside the pipes for at least 15 to 30 minutes. After that, flush the drain with really hot water, like boiling if you can handle it safely, to wash away all the loosened grime. If it's still slow, repeat the whole process one more time. This method is super eco-friendly and way cheaper than buying harsh chemicals. Plus, it helps keep your pipes happy and clear without damaging them. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to clear soap scum clogs is using chemical drain cleaners that can actually mess up your plumbing over time. Instead, stick to natural stuff like baking soda and vinegar. It's safer and works well if you're consistent. Another common issue is not letting the baking soda and vinegar soak long enough. Rushing the process means the clog won't fully break down. Patience here is key, so don't skip that wait time. The third mistake is pouring cold water after the soak, which doesn't help dissolve the soap scum as well as hot water does. Always flush with hot water to get the best results and keep your drains flowing smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. Contractors also get a boost finding new projects, so everyone wins when it comes to tackling home fixes like clogged drains or bigger renovations.